preservation, freezing tomatoes. Did you know that you can freeze tomatoes with their skins? Tomatoes can be frozen raw, cooked, whole, sliced, or chopped. Tomatoes do not need to be blanched before freezing. Frozen tomatoes are best used in cooked foods like sauces, stews, or soups. For freezing, select firm, ripe tomatoes. Gently rub tomatoes under cold running water and wipe clean with a paper towel. After washing, cut away the stem and surrounding area and discard. Place the whole tomatoes on a clean cooking sheet and freeze, or you could do chopped tomatoes like this. Once frozen, transfer the tomatoes from the baking sheet into freezer bags or other containers. Seal tightly, label, date, and freeze. To use frozen tomatoes, remove them from the freezer a few at a time. Farm fresh tomatoes will taste great in soups, stews, and sauces.